Hi everyone! Do you know the distinction between the traditional Japanese cuisine and modern Japanese cuisine? Traditional Japanese cuisine is characterized by simple, well-balanced dishes that highlight seasonal ingredients. Examples include sushi and sashimi. On the other hand, modern Japanese cuisine incorporates Western influences, resulting in a diverse range of flavors. So for me, traditional Japanese cuisine is something my great-grandma was making 30 years ago when I was 10 years old. And if she's still alive, she would be 130 years old. When I was born, both modern Japanese cooking and traditional Japanese cooking already existed. And traditional Japanese cooking was more prevalent in daily life than it is now. Today, as someone who witnesses both sides of Japanese cuisine, I'd like to introduce recipes that showcase the evolved flavors. So this is something my great-grandma was eating. Miso soup with tofu and wakame seaweed, bowl of rice, daikon radish pickles, miso mackerel, and spinach ohitashi, which is a spinach salad seasoned with dashi-based soy sauce. So just a heads up, each of them has a recipe right here on the website. So in this video, let me briefly show you how you can make it at home. Let's start with the traditional miso soup. Using miso and dashi as a base, we'll add plenty of seasonal vegetables to create nourishing soup. The difference between my miso soup and my mom's miso soup, I add way more variety of ingredients to soup. As I often tell members in the membership, miso truly makes any ingredients delicious. So before the ingredients in your refrigerator spoil, try adding them miso soup anyway. It probably turn into something very delicious. I like to make my own daikon radish pickles in winter, but feel free to swap for any other pickles available in supermarkets.
すごいヌメヌメしてるなんかちょっと。臭い大根の匂いだからしょうがないよ。すっごい熱いよ。熱いでしょ。ネギからいくんだ。珍しい。タレいっぱいつけて。タレが美味しいんだよ。骨気をつけてね。
染みってうまい。
染みてるでしょ。
うますぎ。
うますぎよかった。二人ネギで喧嘩しないでね。ちょっとお兄ちゃんにネギあげて。
これも4個とそうたも4個。
4個ずつだったんだ。そっか。
Next, I'll introduce a modern twist on a Japanese-style pasta dish. By combining pasta with a Japanese-inspired sauce, we can enjoy a new flavor experience. We specifically call this as wafu pasta in Japanese.
if you're parents, you might relate to this. My kids prefer modern Japanese cuisine because it seems like traditional Japanese cuisine is not rich enough for them. So our dining table is the combination of both traditional and modern to meet everyone's needs because I prefer traditional Japanese cooking style. However, there is two things that I value and also want to pass on to my kids' generation. Number one is traditional eating method called Ichiju Sansai, composed with rice, one soup, and 3 small side dishes. It's the best way to incorporate its cover of the nutrition in one sitting. It's really enjoyable and brings you a calm and peace to your table. And the second thing is that incorporating more seasonal ingredients, including fish and especially vegetable, it's usually cheaper and it's more delicious and nutritious.
That's what I have been teaching in my membership called Ikigai Cooking Club. We do online cooking classes, sharing creations and meal plans to establish sustainable healthy eating habit by cooking Japanese food at home regularly. If you are interested, the link is in the description box.
Okay, so before I sign off, I want to update you guys my tableware project. Thank you very much for a lot of comments in last week's video. I learned a lot from you guys. And we are at the point to reaching out to the artisans. So I'm gathering up a lot of samples in my house now. And on Instagram, I often do a poll to ask you guys which one do you like better or which color do you like better, those kind of things, because I want to do this with you guys. It's so much more enjoyable to do this with you. So if you're on Instagram, be sure to follow me. Okay, and you can always DM me as well. Thank you so much and see you on the next one. Bye bye.